Hotter. Hotter. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Hotter.
Then get a dinner when you're hungry. Then get a know me have a bubble pan cocky for hungry belly. Eat they know they Sunday. Or they come in. I mean I show you some me. Are you put it?
Nobody.
Are you put it? I put the icky for your neck. Let me see. Put on that one icky. Put on in there. Probably.
I wouldn't bridge in a job.
Drop.
I'm grabbing him.
I grab him.
G0NE, big up for the silver people, blessing. This is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. Well, you see right now, people, I'm going to tell them, when you not go get born, brother, you want to check on yourself before you go around, you know, woman, you understand? You hear the woman say, when she ride on for hungry belly, you know what I mean, people? No joke thing, or real thing. Well, people, that's not what I'm going to talk about. I just go and look at highlight there. I look at fun thing when you link before I start now, because I'm going to something really attacking now. Well, my people, right about now, boy, I tell the people, a father right now, people, say right now, he come like half of him dead since he losing daughter, people. Or since his daughter was murdered in Jamaica, people. And I tell us right now, that little story, I read through that little article, people, and I feel it to my heart. Honestly, no joke thing, my viewers and subscribers. Because it's a father who based in St. Catherine, people. And he said that on December the 22nd, he found his daughter, you know what I mean, with her throat slashed. And I'm going to tell you now the whole thing go. Well, viewers and subscribers, this father said who resides in St. Catherine, say he have his daughter, people, who work at a call center as an agent, people. You know what I mean? He said 2 weeks prior to the murder, on December the 21st, because she was found on December the 22nd. You understand? So he said 2 weeks before prior to the murder, the daughter did move to Stony Hill to live with her aunt. You know what I mean? So they said that now on December the 21st, the daughter was talking to one of his friend and telling him that she's on her way to halfway through, you know, sometime after 10 p.m. because she just got off work and thing. He said that now, people, on December the 22nd, he received a call from the police in Spanish Town, people, and said he must come to the Spanish Town police station right now. Some matter with his daughter. He said in his mind now, he know his daughter, she's not a troublemaker or nothing like that, people. So he might thinking of himself, said, boy, John, I wonder how she get on herself. And so him say, might carry her extra money in case he can bail her out or anything like that, because that's what in his head, you know what I mean, something maybe go on with him daughter and think, because him love this daughter. In the end, people, he said when he reached to the Spanish Town police, people, and when they started to talk to him and tell him that his daughter was found, murder, people, he said, same time, it's like him sense gone, everything, him body locked down, everything. And he said, people, like couple days before, like the day before, he said when the police, I'm going to be honest, when the police was explaining to him and say, yeah, you need him to go identify his daughter, he said, yes, it's my daughter, man. And he never see her, because he said, like the day before, people, his body just feeling cold, like cold sweat start wash him, and he never feel good, he know something wasn't right. So he said, yes, it's my daughter. And he said when he go look, people, and the stage where him seeing daughter, and the people, he couldn't believe. They said they found his daughter on the roadside in Spanish Town, people, with her throat slash. Yeah. Throat bust. Them, you understand, people? And nobody don't know right now who has done this thing. Nobody, you know what I mean? It's like the investigation is so dead by the police. So he said he hope when these things go out on the media platform, just like how NEWLINK do it now, the Star has publicized it, plus other media sites in Jamaica, he hope that this, you understand, this can reach out there and the killer may be brought forward and put to justice, because in the end, people, honestly, it's the first time I'm really hearing about this story. And I tell you, this happened from December the 21st. She was found on December the 22nd. You understand? And it's just terrible, you know. Them bust the girl throat, leave her on the road, young girl, nice girl, and what this girl could have done. You know what I mean? In the end, this man is saying no, and at the stage, people, she wasn't raped. You know what I mean? They did found her rape when they do her post-mortem and thing. But I'm saying, people, it's just terrible to know the stage of her females are brutally slain in Jamaica by someone devious and scrupulous and wicked men. You know what I mean? It's terrible, man. Honestly, people. And he said right now, this girl, sister, is right now is so curious. Her younger sister is so sad because he said this daughter people. Yes, you have this girl by himself from she was like maybe 4 months old. He raised her until she turned a big woman now people, and he said right now he feel like one side him body just dead from she gone people because he know that she buzz his heartbeat. You know what I mean? Because him raise her from there like a single father people, and to know he can't believe people. You know what I mean? And me I said to the man them out there, man, what do the carelessness them? I kill off the woman them and them something there, yo. As me telling you, how much videos, it just not worth it. Taking people life, it just don't make no sense, yo. God give us all life to live. God never put man on earth for we are get with brother life and with sister life and no reason for some simple things. Because in the end, people, we know so many times man do kill woman off of jealousy because woman says she want to move on, and why you go kill a woman because she want to move on. What even, I say this over and over, even if you do full, you know what I mean, even if you do take care of this woman and spend a lot of money on the woman, in the end it still don't give you no rights to kill this woman. I'm saying it's a different situation. If a woman hold you, take your money, rob you, hack into your account, grab out everything, trick you, scam you, tie you up, it's different, totally different. And I would still not say it's to kill because killing is not the answer. But I'm saying, but when you look at a woman, impress her with money, spend money, grab her, and she never want you, but the money impress her and the money makes she fall for you now, do with her, then when she ready to move on, you go kill her. Come on, man. Make no sense, yo. In this time, people, honestly, you're in a relationship, it's not working out, you try over and over, you know what I mean? Try to get yourself away. In a relationship, you see if they're abused, they're where the partner beating you, it's not working out, try to seek assistance and move on. Because in the end, people, the mentality of people is so devious. And I'm not just going to be on the woman's side. You have women out there who are doing the same thing to the man. You are abusing man, beating man also. I know of that situation where woman beating man, treating man bad. Come on, it make no sense to. You know what I mean? God give us all a life to live. And in the end, people, life is there to enjoy and live. So don't waste it because there's only one life. And I never heard of no man on earth who has died. You know what I mean? From reading history book come up and you hear say them come back. Only the Almighty I heard about that too. So in the end, you have your life, live it, enjoy it to the fullest. I want to live till maybe me 1,000 if I can, if it's possible. I would beg God for that. But I know, you know what I mean, people, because life is so nice. No matter the tribulations and the trial we have today in our life, tomorrow can be better. So don't watch the bad things that will happen to you today because you don't know how Jah are going to work out something for you tomorrow. So we don't know anything come up viewers and my subscribers. It's sad, it's terrible, but in the end, we got to be good and we got to be great. I don't know people, this is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, man, and we say attack. And remember to do follow us on IG, NEWLINK_production official. Follow us on Facebook, NEWLINK Production. Follow us on Twitter, NEWLINK Production. You don't know people, enough love, enough respect to the support and everybody who was a NEWLINK. Attack. Peace out. Keep the new year flowing. Keep the new year going. Blessings. Be good. Make no sense.
What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.